Nwatu Obinna, student.
You're a student?
Yes, Good Shepherd, komaiya. I've not done it before, this is the first try. I don't know, he was a friend I met online. He said we should do that so that we can get money out of it. I'm 17.
Gentlemen of the press, good afternoon. I'm glad to have you people in our midst. The case we have has to do with a conspiracy and fact kidnap, where a particular boy went and hid himself in an hotel. Then they sent out information that he has been kidnapped. So investigation commenced, and it was discovered that that boy faked that kidnap, all in the name of getting money from the mother, who he said has been stingy to him. On 19th September 2021, one Wisdom Nwatu, male of Obikabia in Isialangwa North local government area, that is the brother to Obinna Nwatu. So he reported that on 18th September at about 18:00 hours, his younger brother Obinna Nwatu, male, 17 years, of same address, was kidnapped along Stadium Road, Obualangwa, by unknown hoodlums operating with ash color Sienna, registration number unknown. He further stated that his younger brother went to buy a recharge card that evening when the purported incident occurred. So by virtue or the nature of this matter, it was transferred to the state anti-kidnapping unit. So upon the transfer of this case to the anti-kidnapping unit, they commenced investigation immediately. And on the 4th of October, they arrested Chinaza Favor Okigbe, aged 19 years, whose bank account number was used to collect the money. It was during the investigation of that Okigbe that he revealed to the police that Obinna Nwatu faked his own kidnap. They were able to get the sum of 200,000 naira from the mother. He stated that Obinna Nwatu and one Favor Ugoji, aka Wizzy, came to his shop at Aba Road, Abia State, and requested that he should give his bank account to enable them use and receive the school fees of their younger sister. Investigation further revealed that Obinna Nwatu and Ugoji received through the account, that is this Chinaza's account, the sum of 200,000 naira paid in as a ransom by the mother of Obinna Nwatu in the name of Mrs. Rose Nwatu. According to Obinna Nwatu, that is the man that faked his kidnap, he was not actually kidnapped. He conspired with Favor Ugoji, aka Wizzy, now at large, to deliberately go into hiding in an hotel along Rema University Road, Aba. Obinna Nwatu, male, a senior secondary school SS3 student who lives in a boarding school, decided to fake his own kidnap, claiming that his mother, Mrs. Rose Nwatu, is stingy.
Nwatu Obinna, student.
You're a student?
Yes, Good Shepherd, komaiya. I've not done it before, this is the first try. I don't know, he was a friend I met online. He said we should do that so that we can get money out of it. I'm 17. The money was 200,000, so we made an agreement that I should not go with any money until I reach home. So
you should go and present yourself first.
Yes.
You have been released.
Yes. Then he said I should give him my account details. So I dropped my account details on him. When reaching home, I tried calling him to send the money. Then he have removed the SIM card. He's no longer using the SIM card again.
Obinna Nwatu also claimed that he met Favor Ugoji online in 2017. During chatting, he met that Ugoji online. They became friends since 2017. So this year, two of them came together to plan this fake kidnap. But both of them have never been to each other's house or know more of other than through Facebook conversations. In view of the above, the Commissioner of Police is hereby advising parents and guardians to closely monitor their children and wards. Also, the general public are advised to volunteer information on suspicious movement of persons and strange persons in their areas.